So in this video, I want to compare three different smaller fans with you and just show you the differences between these three. These are all popular, get good reviews. Over here on the left, we got the Wind Machine by Lasko. It's a 20-inch fan. In the middle, you've got the Vornado. Okay, the Vornado is a 16-inch fan. And then over on the right, you've got the X-Power Mini Mighty. All right, I'm gonna turn all these on because when I'm looking at fans, there's just different things I wanna know, like how much wind they're putting out, but also quality of construction and also the noise level, you know, especially if I'm something I'm gonna be using inside. So let's turn them on and just let you see them and hear them. And sometimes I'll just say this on the video, sometimes it looks like the fan blades are not spinning that fast, something to do with the way the camera works, but trust me, they are spinning very fast. So you can see on these first two that they are adjustable. Like I can tilt this fan up if I want to. Same thing with the Vornado, I can adjust it, tilt it. So let's turn this one on. I'm gonna turn the Wind Machine on by Lasko in high speed. And again, what I like about this one, it's very, very quiet compared to some others. Now, some of it being quiet is, you know, maybe not putting out quite as much wind as some bigger industrial type fans, but still, definitely moving some wind on the high speed. Now let me crank up the Vornado here. I say crank up, I mean you just turn the switch. Okay, there it goes on high speed. I would say the difference here is putting out more wind, definitely feels stronger than the Wind Machine. Also slightly louder, but not as big of a fan, okay? That one's a little bit bigger, but not blowing quite as hard. This one's smaller, blowing a little bit harder. And then the X-Power, and these are pretty cool. You can use these as a fan to, you know, just to move air, but also for like drying out things. I've got it on high power. Noise level not bad at all, and you see how handy these are. They've got the plugs on the side, and these can be tilted too, so I can angle it up like that, or can put it like that, and they're very lightweight. All three of these are lightweight. The other noticeable difference I think is worth mentioning on these three is the Vornado, in comparison with a lot of fans I've looked at, I was impressed with the quality of the construction. So this metal base just seems much sturdier than a lot of fans. These are all lightweight, all definitely moving air. I would say, you know, if I'm looking for just kind of personal fan, I like the Vornado, the amount of power it's putting out. The noise level, again, this could be used to dry out a floor or something like that. And the Wind Machine, if you're going for quiet, then the Wind Machine, to me, would be the quietest of these three. So these are three popular fans. Hope this video has helped show you some of the differences.